Lift hill, chain pulls you up. As soon as it catches. So there used to be a one just like this over here, but when the Ninja came, they replaced it. But before they replaced it, they made it a stand-up coaster, so it was this track on stand-up, and it was the Ninja. But before the Ninja came. You ready for the big drop? Hands up. Ready for the big drop? Hands up. Hands up. Hands up, my brother. Come on, hands up in the dark. Woo! Oh yeah. Alright, now we have to ride in the back seat because the back seat's better than the front.
Welcome back, guys. How was your ride? Woo! Awesome. Once we come back on, please stop by 10 so you're on eye.
Remember at some point.
Sir, see you later. Bye.
So there's the tunnel. There's the Ninja. Lean into the direction the coaster is going. And then lean left. That helps it from being so rough. I don't know if you've ever ridden a horse, but that's how you kind of have to ride it. Like when it does that, see my back? My back's not against the back seat. So I kind of lean forward, so I'm in control. I'm not letting it do this to me, you know what I'm saying? So I lean forward so it doesn't hit my back. Good observation. Hands up! Young lady says hands up, sir. Young lady says hands up. Says hands up. Oh! That's why you lean forward. Ready? Hands up. Here we go. Hands up. You can do it. I got you, girl. I got you. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Yes, you do, but you didn't almost fall out. I love all coasters, big and small. I love that one. Yeah.